Hey, this is Pierre Vizelaco talking. There's a new UI on the web. So on the left side, this is desktop. On the right side, this is a web. And now I can see I have the same menu, almost the same. And so what comes with? So first you have, on the website, you have the all the features except the live caption. So that's a limitation. I hope it will come soon. Um, and what can you do? So if I use together mode on the desktop, because I cannot use it on the web, so let's select this one. So as usual, I'm the only one to see it. But if now I go to together mode and change the scenery, I can say the scenery, I want to assign it to everyone. So even on the web, you will see the together mode now when you assign it on the desktop. Another thing that is interesting is finally, I don't know if it's tied to this new UI, I can share a whiteboard with guests. No, not window, a whiteboard. So previously it was saying it was not supported in the browser, and now, hopefully, I'm starting to see my whiteboard here, and I'm gonna see it on the web soon in the browser, hopefully. Okay, so if I want to add something, I can. Obviously, I have all the tools. Let's see if a template will work. So let's switch here on the in the browser. So apparently I don't see the template yet. I wonder if I'm gonna see it soon. Oh yes, sorry, it was too small. So it works, and as you can see, I can see on the left side where what I'm doing where on the right side. So I can see that P de la Côte, who is the guest, is doing something in the right area of the whiteboard. So whiteboard is working and is following people who are whiteboarding with you in real time. So that's a new thing that comes with the new UI. I'm going to stop sharing that. And the last thing I found was interesting. I can share an Excel file with live preview. Let's take this one. I'm going to share it. And you'll see it won't show here, but something interesting, if you click on request access, it will open the Excel file in a tab. And if I click somewhere, for example here, I should see, yeah. So you can see I'm selecting as a guest this line, and it shows on the desktop. So you can share PowerPoint, Excel Live. PowerPoint Live, we could do that before, but now we can share Excel Live, just a different process, and when you're using desktop on both sides, but still, it's still working. So that's the things I found with the new UI in the browser. It's not just the new UI, there are new features like the whiteboard sharing and Excel live sharing. Hope this was helpful.